Hello, beautiful soul, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're coming from my shop, thank you so much for your purchase. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit this template in particular. This is my Bachelorette weekend travel itinerary, but you'll be able to apply any of these tips to virtually any of my products in my shop. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the basic editing tools that Canva has so that you can customize your Bachelorette itinerary to fit your liking, to fit your style, the vibe that you're trying to go for, and so on and so forth. So first things first, you'll be able to see that once I hover onto the canvas right here, I can actually edit all of these items. Some of these might be locked so that they don't move around when you're editing, but if you would like to move those, you just hit this button that says unlock, and then you will be able to freely move this around the canvas. To edit your text, you will want to hover over the text box that you would like to change. You'll click on that, and then you can go ahead and change the font. You can change the date easily to match your Bachelorette weekend. So say that you are actually going to be going on your Bachelorette weekend on March 10th. So you can go ahead and change that 10th through the 13th. Easy as that. Say your name's not Olivia. You can come in here, you can change your name. You can also edit all of the colors in here. So if you want to change the color of your text, you'll come in here, select the color you want, exit out of that, and then you're good to go. You can also increase the size as big or as small as you'd like, and of course you can move this over anywhere you would like. If you would like to delete any of these elements, you simply, if it's locked, you can unlock it and then hit delete, and that is all good. You can edit all of these elements in the text as well. So let's move on to the photo pages. So you'll see that in a lot of these, there are photos available right here. So you'll be able to use them. If you want to keep these as they are, you can, but you might want to edit a few of them to personalize them. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the photos that you'd like to add, and then go to the upload section. Then you'll be able to drag your photos and drop them straight in here, and then they will upload. Or you can hit upload files and you'll be able to upload straight from your computer. Once you have the photos in there, you'll be able to drag and drop them straight from the upload section into any of these photo boxes that you see right here. Say that you're happy with that and we can move on. You can also add a different color to the background if you'd like. So if you want it to be dark, that looks kind of cool, but I like it the way that it was, so I'm gonna leave it this way. You can edit all of your details, make it your own, add in the location that you're going to be staying at, travel options that you'll have available for your guests. I've also added a mood board, this really fun page. This is probably one of my favorite pages in this design. I absolutely love mood boards. So you'll be able to edit all of these photos. You can go back in here and you can add these photos into any of these boxes, and they will just conform to the size that they are. So you can create your own mood board for your own bachelorette party with your colors, the colors that you'd like all of your girls to match in. You can go crazy with this and make it totally your own. I would love to see your creations too. So if you would like to share them with me so I can see how you've customized this, I would love to see that, so you can send it to me in a photo through Etsy if you would like. Here we have an overview page. You'll just place the basic overview of your plans for the weekend right here, and then you'll have a more specific, a more detailed itinerary available to you right here. So you can edit all of these texts, you can edit the times, make it totally your own. The packing list is another really fun one. If you purchase matching bachelorette tees and you want to match with your girls, you can totally add all of these details in here. So each of these are totally editable. And then we have this end page. You'll just add your own photo to it as a little send-off and get your girls excited to go on a bachelorette weekend with you. So that is the complete bachelorette weekend itinerary. If you have any more specific questions on how to edit anything, please let me know. I would be happy to walk you through any of these steps. Once again, thank you so much if you're coming from my shop, and if not, you can check out all of my products on Etsy My shop's name is Phx Rising Stationery, and I offer all kinds of wedding invitations, party games, full wedding suites complete with everything that you could possibly need for a wedding, including wedding signs, menus, place cards, all of the wedding things, as well as all kinds of different event invitations and really fun things like this one. And if you loved your product and you're really happy with the results, I would love it if you would consider leaving a review on Etsy. It really helps out us small businesses and it really makes our day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.